simultaneous localization and mapping on hardware is really important, because in the simulation the game is different and on the hardware the game is different, right? For the SLAM on hardware, it is important to test if the LiDAR is working or not. We have checked that, so we can move forward with the SLAM part. That's fine. But how to move with the SLAM part? How to do the mapping of the environment? So the first and the most important part is that you should download the packages, okay, ROS packages for that. First of all, we have SLAM toolbox and the cartographer for ROS2. Whenever you use that package, it simply creates a map of that particular environment while moving the robot using the teleop button, and also it can do the simultaneous mapping while doing the navigation as well. Okay, both is handled. So it also supports real-time navigation. So it is a good kind of package that we can use for the like mapping part. I'm explaining in a very easy way because it is important to understand for the beginners as well what we are doing. So it just check out this package and you can use it in a very easy manner. So first of all, you will feel complex, but later on it's really simple. You just have to launch the launch file, also launch the teleop and the driving nodes, the LiDAR launch file, because unless and until the LiDAR is not activated, the SLAM will not work, okay, because it is dependent on the LiDAR sensor itself, right? So the rays are thrown, and so the rays reaches the obstacle and hits the obstacle and gets back to the sensor again, so we get the distance, and likewise the map is created. So for that reason the LiDAR is important. So after launching all the necessary files, that is the RP LiDAR, the driving nodes launch file, we are ready to get the map on RVs. Okay, so for the RVs visualization, it is important that we select the map frame. Okay, so we have now the map frame, the ODOM frame, which is responsible for the driving, and likewise we do the SLAM part by using the teleop twist key keyboard. We will move the robot manually and create the map of the real-time environment, and that will be really simple because we just have to operate and the map will be created, and at the same time we can do the navigation. This was the SLAM part I wanted to discuss with you guys, and also on the hardware how we can implement those things. It is similar to the simulation part, the SLAM up to the SLAM part, it is similar to the simulation, but for the navigation the game is different. So let's get into it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.